like always, the sexy, sassy, beautiful, and the gentleman of Abuja. I almost say Abuja Kunu. Yes, yani Abuja Kunu. Baba Chichin Komo. Mr. James Udina and Clark, right? Edina Mr. James Clark. Okay, and I Miss Elom and I Chichin Komo. Abuja. So not this a say. So partner. Eko fire rear STDs eba na say wakokofa na bonten enye wona wo de man you had no way bia with the wako cheating wakofa ya rear mpacho wo de beche no asan ene natsena because eye for better for worse and na say wo fa nche no na wakwaba
yeah na ana
mo hwaye fo hey Abuja Kunu she said it what's Abuja Kunu say hey why Akwabaso. So quick one. Me face with the me start also. Okay.
Me dey me who say ya ka say oba enya STD sa. Na che say oba ayase ana say oba ne twemu no. Yare ana say ohaw bi aba eho. Now dey me who say ya na ye fo say oba na kutwa no ho. Ana say oni obi akoda ana say wakoye bibi obabi enti na wakofa yade no enye no nko a ena de yade ne ba to de bi o ha Africa na ewe senka ye betumi a ka ema no mo pints amoshe eye nylon enka mu jai sha mumu binom ejai nylon pints sha because of heat ninti no wo she nylon pints ema unya double erection friction friction manipulate baby and a pint no so no nka obenya nka be she cotton there apart from that no nylon there no se wusia e wo se utimi hata wawiam enye dan mu
na area boom
or see hata wawiam for a period of time and also so no man be brave ya no mo for say man no mo te compound houses no obi o ha na ne pint no mesremeka ya na ase no a change colors into yana usru and offery say odibe sain abontin amobiam into yana said the omo singing room and a chimney almost see paint na no dia hangi singing room for no crossbar so I'm Abraham gala remote na singing room
David me dey obi o hwe me bia ni
so into sanyo man and aside of that also no ye wo more yenuanu mo a omotina ifia toilet no toilet facility no eye ba akopia eye omo rent dan inti the dan be 6 and dan be 10 12 na obi a use 1 or 2 toilet be ma de ba ko ma de ba ko we cost no we pie no aba eno so heat na fi we ni mo no atonko no mo e ba so no eno so etimi ma also unya obano inya infection apart from that so no WC so a yankasankasa yetina mu ofie no se okọ so na wan flash e bia me ofo so oni okunu pene ofie umu niba okunu ko ye wan flash obe se wo ba na oso wie ansa na wa flash ana wo ko bia obe so no no ba ansa na wa flash sa ni mani nyina no etimi de oha ba ye wo enyoma bebrebe ansa na bia na wakwa abontin akwa boye.
Yeah, because what I know is the STDs here namu yare.
Yeah. It's a virus.
Yes, to them. It's wonka dey na obeye. Say u kuna kofa yare. E dia bro.
Abna STDs they mean say sexual transmitted diseases. To say gono facelessness and na most times no yenya won nem with candidiasis ne sanyama na your friend white ne dey ono dey yenya from panties ne sanyama but when we talk about STDs is basically on it's based on in them
because it's virus
and bacterials
and
but also na can say obi so betimi mistakenly baby obi jonso on say most times here jonso ye junso a ye flash
sometimes so it miss
exactly so when you okotena so na bia sa virus wo mo ho ye heni na bi a wakɔhyɛ but most times no de ndemu yare nti so obi nyanya pe otimi hu say doctors most times unya pe mbisa so why na wo suspect so de ma o say you kunu ana here no mun treat both of you eba ne say be ma no woni one that say woni one na e na onu enya e na wa be ka che say menya gonu ana menya bibi ana menya we a odo e just hu say amani bibiri wodom odo na nko smooth sa ye wo caps for ho into we na wo so be kire say wo do kunu ana so do
you say say on sin ko be pam
ai we na just hu say senior won no ebe solve that problem
okay
na ye nim say condom so they prevent all these things into ye the condom aba condom prevent all these viruses ni sanya man enti se wo do nipa na that's a once for nipa no condom trainer sister it's just so the man but you should be very careful ade ba ko pe a metimi aka ho asem ni say wo partner wo HIV and AIDS me to me no say nipa no minim say metimi ware into him until I won't start. You get the point. But something like gono, syphilis, it can be cured.
Okay. It is going to be cured.
Yeah, to be cured. But doctors in car say you will draw. No, Emma viral debut. Emma we no eba form, but not to him. But I learned syncophobia to me cure. But we can't talk about it because it's not approved. But I know say some people. Testify say herbal clinics ni sanya mani ebitimi masa we
but we don't know
but we don't know so we can't talk about it. Well obi sa was our virus now who enjoy no for how long this okofo no so ne partner wo bi you get the point because for how long ebia me ti me pese me wo but because or no what's our problem no I don't think say ebitimi awo but say me wo ono so what there why not say it as him but minim say no adie wenya but eno nche say me no intem ye be na fofo ye be kasa be with but when it comes to sex I can't oh no but wa utimi so what na say wa woni mu say wo na akoye wa akọ ni obi akoda enya HIV and say AIDS na me no na sa till when. Yeah, well, I didn't just say I won't start at all.
But just remember also.
Say you bet me a kill. Go no syphilis and sanya man. You bet me a kill. So why not? Because my boy my kill. But the problem is HIV and AIDS. Yeah, we are. And I say me cause me enjoy for how long? I won't start at all. Because I make me enjoy you are. Wait, no, me who say your do virus.
Yes.
Yeah, na ye force say enemu yare pe but I can assure you say me doctor there but enhwehwemu any inkrata bia ya kenkan any celebrity radio so TV so doctors abodo mobile programs so over the years at least over 10 years no etie nkrofo ya kenkan inkrata e ma yitimi hu say sabio Africa kra no nka obetimi a enhu bia say obehye pint a silky painter otria atwetan abehye cotton na okay no ye especially more man any men nyina so she silky painter emwaye
okay
because of heat you know sebi the more awo hye no na wo si na enya baby papa enya you know be say e de enyoma emwa wan kitinkiti bi so wa obo pesati bi bi no matena no mangasa nkasa fefe ye ka say James ni ade a James nkyerese anase virus a nkyerese agise wakoye bibi potin ansa na pie
okay
for the say you na say ye ya de abai COVID-19
okay
sabi utifie kura ko ebi nso utiminya so it ye preventing from moving around and also using our nose masks, washing our hands periodically and running water and then using the 60% to 70% hand sanitizers and all. But I didn't go 4 years animal winner. It should be the moon. That means you can say virus or you abuabia, utimi pie bebia, ubi any na. Into whom also where they we shall now ball by money at say Masino, Cabinia, Katayu, Susio, Efa who was say, and the money be also. of course and saba ko pe ene ye de bo ras me
okay
ene mpanifo bi a me ne o medi nko ma mpanifo bi kire se on sabra ye de bo ras ne ka be nya o yusu mienu
okay
so na bro sa mienu sei no na o de akokoro unya achire kwan na de bo ho no aka ho na de akokoro but said you e man be bre so enim obi o ho fo se ba ko na e do bi so fo se le sanaji so de ahye na sinimu ton no timi akokoro no ase no Nyankopon abɔ no kwan a also no angsa treat ne ho enti ye wo kwan a ye di kokoro ya se edi esiesie ho ena untimi ma ensuo enso so ensi onche wo ho se bi nsuo ye ya ye tifie compound houses a ye need flowing taps no ana se ensuo a etene shower ne ade no de bia no utimi se ensuo de si ho obi wa no se ensuo si ho na nsa enenum na wotwe wotu kwan obae na okodware ya no wakoto no de sansuo no unimu muawa epie wo
okay
so enti sare mani nyina no se yehwe ni etu ho ana mo a me gidi se ebeboa but me nua ba wa ha ono anga san ye obae die me gidi so no so de bi beso so elo ma ho fedua
Bujem papa
Bujem papa elo me any topic dia no beka afa ho se why your bar and o partner what I know is STDs idea yet purpose namu yare na you can make only one that for some months or whatever na wakofa yare e dey abeyo a things that is happening fear. And sometimes even if it's a sexual we still have to advise and talk to people like we have to talk to them it won't dey na obeye say u kuna kofa yare e dey abro
abna STDs they mean say sexual transmitted diseases to say gono facelessness and na most times no yenya won nem
message say ba wa hade e go fo nya okwa ombabo
I say na nipa dwene enye nyame adwene na bibia na nipa ye dwene se ye tibia na ye wo mu no ene mfaso dia e benya na obetia bi mu no ene ya na ye hwe ba se uhwe odo de kodi ebe ma be ma ni oba hwiwiase nyina o na watena se ni maka se elomo pe ena me pe no so ti ase se me ka se elom pe na me pe na e wo bibi sronko it no matter what I need to stand by her I need to make sure say o how mu amani mu ohie mu awohie mu bia no that is when also ni aba bi ka say inti say ya ware na otwe ana na otwe mienu echi sabio be ma na bubu a edie na obeye inti frasa situation no e compare say sabimpo be ma no offer wachi a fine that was a din na mu ye fa bone nche so ti ase e na Bible na so de kan say na ba pe ka no Bible na so say ye fa bone nche empress no dio so
okay
so enti say yes I uhwe sani ma we na de ba odom oba kra wo ba ya no ba ni ganan oba no ho say oba say me hwe me yere pa na ebia na tofo na wo say me say me penufu say na me hwe oba enufu na me beje nufu e ho na ne to ni siremu ina nkokomu nifu ntem
nofo ntem gina ho eyi Bujem papa kan
Bujem ma me kasa
Bujem ma mi nie na Bujem papa de oye die e me wanwa say ye me wanwa Bujem papa de oye ase etem akoma enti osape ne wro saka ho ade wo pese onya yare ni bi wo enti udo bia de uti bibia te so jesu
yes
oh no please
no ba wo kwa wade ampanifo se ukona se unya ka fama be ma no
ti se di asesa even Bible no mumpo no edwamaye e ma ho kwan
se asesa
wa asesa Bible mu kra po no e ma ho kwan se obi bo dwamaye a se wontimi a obetimi akọ enti ebe dwamaye di abra eno ne etimi ti wakono so yes enti se pa se be me ya fa wechi akonya ace and what I board I be catch us say honey me pass home in your eggs and I wouldn't be now say for better for worse I want to spend my life with him there be me there be
I will know to me that Obana menses crana be man in Pemoja out me di
and I make us for how long for how long will you be enjoying the Nofuntem? For how long? Yes. You are very selfish. One person no, what's you? About one kasana, one kasana when you're ace no. So what domia? And just who cried the Okasa unemenda. Because yes, baby, I miss you. Now, no, I don't want to affect you with this. I don't know, just so dummy. Now, would you to me catch me say my coffee background? Yes, one I met you say, oh, farm it, you know, me 90 way, win your beam. Make me a console with you, like make a such or man encourage you. That's not the end of your life. It's either so for HIV, Nipanama, one casa.
I didn't get married.
If you know that, hold on, me back. Who say odo? When you say, woman say HIV in just a woo. But I didn't say, mean to me no mean to me no yama bibium. I send me penta from me. Mean to me better flow. What to me by me way. There were a lot of things are boundaries. I don't want to start it into any middle. And I want to send when you're no. So what domia? You get the point. If you're talking about love here, and anything about catch them and say, what job may you be? And no mean to mean cast when you been hey, now he for now could no. So my car so say I won't say that. I will console you. I will tell you say no boy I'm a from. You get the point. Me no be back no you be counseling. You be boy na me ma we niaje. Oh me probe foforo. Me probe foforo. And anka me no me. You know no she said if it's STDs yes, you can bear with that. Yes, but with AIDS and kind of I no, with AIDS I can't.
Also, me I should say no man ko say me ne oba no ho ne nya yade no. Me she that church kwanya especially man no yade no motanya. Me ma kura no say the na wo ka no. Say wo call abuse so. Na say bi omo yi ne wakaka. Wo ba ko na say obi aye adwon so na kakra so ana obi ko toilet na kakra ka we no ehun ne ade na sabi ni nyina no so tumi nya infection so ti ase now ye kwa tonko ni ade na make ni nyina na be ma no so wo
ba min twawa no oh sa nyama ni nya na make so de me no betimi ada but ono ye virus ana bacteria sa ono ye betimi akio
wonim say HIV ye wonuru a wo be no mo a Emma no yade no amount crowd minya hoden foforo
but you still a patient
you still a patient
doesn't mean you can't always find no even doctors will talk about this
exactly
so you in Libya we can't teach
no that one no
okay send this a condom okay condom asem me kra kan ba be catch say Bible create the condom
enti onko
pa me fa no raw
enti se woni ukunu wo ho na wo fo so wanya Asia wanya Asia adenti na Bible e kire say oba ni be ma be hia no ma wade no ma tena se akunu fo
that's all kofa by no ba ne ko onye ba
it wa kofa by tu jana ko
baby enti me ne ntu me wo because I don't yen can say ti sia no me ne wo
the main way
enti no enti enti na musa
enti on nyaba no on
na musa
eba ye golden
no
about a golden
like
if you don't have it's not a problem but a necessity
exactly
it's one of the necessities in life
but if you don't have and obi enforce you say nyankopon bo say wontimi wo they are fine I don't have a problem and obi a priority a wo de kwa aware mu obi a de obi aso obi de obi wo ho I don't want to give birth I'm shape be say and obi wo no ankasa de opese okwa aware mu ye ɛna me a mete adeɛ me pese me wo pa me wo be se 10
ɛlɔ mo yi
what you say enti no me so me pentafru ne se ɛna me penfefe ɛna me pe me obi a me obi a ɛya na me pese me hwɛ se ne wetie enti I can't deal with that man. Our HIV.